This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone, welcome to Analytic Solutions channel. In this Excel tips and tricks video, I will be teaching you how to update the status by using the color codes. Let's see how this update status will work. I have a small table here, and if I change the status here, and depending on the status, I'll get the color code changed here. Let's change the status. If I select this completed, the entire row will become green color. Suppose if I select ongoing, then I can see that the entire row is getting yellow color. And if I select this pending, you can see that the entire row is becoming red color. And if you don't want any status to be shown, I'll select on this blank value and you can see that the color code is gone. So if you want to do something like this, it is very simple and easy to implement these options. Before learning this, if you're not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. And also, if you want any of our offline videos of the courses and the packages we conduct, please do contact with the numbers mentioned below or the email ID mentioned here. We will be sending you a link and you can download the offline videos and learn without using internet. And the price is very less and affordable. Right. Let's see how we can prepare this template with the status changed with the color codes. I have a blank table here, and let's see how we can first use this status what we have here. To get these status here as a drop down, let's select the entire range. We'll go to this data and we have the data validation. Let's click on the small arrow. We get this data validation. Click on this data validation and here we get the list. Select this list option. We get the selection here for selecting the source. Select this button and then select the status. But if you select only these three status, we'll get only this completed, ongoing and pending. If you want a blank value also to be selected, then you can just select one blank space here and then select from here. Now when you select this, you can see that I have a blank space here and then completed, ongoing and pending the status. Now let's say OK. And if you say OK, here we can see I get all these three status along with the one blank value. Now when I select this completed, I should get a different color code here and ongoing and pending. Depending on the status what I select, the entire row should get shaded or say colored. To do this, it's very simple. We have to use the conditional formatting. First, let's see only for one row and then we can apply for all the other rows. Or if you want to apply for the entire table, you can select the entire table and you can apply. But to learn, what we'll do is we'll just select one row and then we'll apply for one row. And if this is working fine, then we can apply for all the other rows. I've selected one row. Now let's go to this Home tab and Conditional Formatting. Let's click on this Conditional Formatting. Here we can see New Rule. Select this new rule. We'll get one window here, New Formatting Rule. You should select this Use a formula to determine which cells to format. I'll select this and here I have a formula bar. Just press equals and select this cell. Make sure that you will fix only the column, that is, we'll make only the column as absolute and row as relative. Then we can say equals and select this completed. Let this selection be absolute. That means row and column has to be fixed. Go to this format and select the color which you want to give. The color code here, let's say we'll take it as green for completed. Say OK and click on OK. The one condition is applied. Let's apply the condition for ongoing and pending as well. Click on this condition formatting, new rule, and here again we'll select use a formula equals in the formula bar and select this cell. Press F4 twice so that only the column is fixed. Again we'll say equals and now we'll select this ongoing. Click on this format and select the color you want. In this case for ongoing we'll select this yellow color and say OK. Click on OK. Now we'll give the formatting for pending. Again we'll go here, click on this condition formatting, click on the new rule, and again use a formula, equals, select this cell. Press F4 twice. Now we'll have this column fixed, equals, and then we'll select this pending. Go to this format, and for pending, we'll give this red color, say OK, and click on OK. Now the formatting has been done. The color code has been applied for all the three status. Now let's do the testing. I will select this completed. You can see that the entire row is getting shaded with green color. Let's select this ongoing. You can see that the entire row is getting shaded yellow color. And then we'll click on this pending. You can see that it is giving me the color code red color. So these color codes can be customized according to your templates. And even the status can be changed according to your requirement as well. Now how to apply for all the other cells, all the other records. Copy the entire record, and then we'll go to this clipboard group. Here we have this paste. Click on this, we have this paste special. Click on this paste special, and here I get an option, formats. So for this, if you want to apply the formats, you're copying this, select the entire table. So the process what I showed should be done for the entire table. Paste, paste special, and I'll click on this formats and click on OK. Now the formats what we had copied will be pasted for the entire table. Now we'll just go here and select any of these options, any of the status. Now we'll get the color code according to whatever we had specified in the conditional formatting. Suppose if I don't want any of the status to be mentioned, I'll just select this blank value, and you can see that the color code is removed from the entire row. So this way I can use this conditional formatting plus the data validation to select the status I need, and I can give the specific color code also for formatting the table or say the templates. So this is very easy also to implement in your templates or dashboards. I hope this video was useful. Once again, if you need our offline videos, please do contact us. We will be providing a link. You can download all the offline videos of our courses and packages, and you can learn without internet in your system. And the prices are very affordable and less. I hope you guys like this video. If you like, please give a like. And if you think this video was useful, please do share it. And also, if you guys have not subscribed yet to our channel, please do subscribe. And if there are any other useful things like this to change the color codes, and if you have any other ideas, please do mention in our comment box. Even I will learn something from you guys, and also the people who are watching this video will also learn something new. And keep watching our channel for more informative, innovative, and interesting videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.